Welcome to the personal property tour for Gowan Bank, Links Road in Leven. This is a spacious 2-bedroom semi-detached cottage within a stone's throw of this gorgeous beach. But before I take you on the tour, I just want to show you what is literally on your doorstep. Look at that stunning view. Isn't that gorgeous? So you can see right across to Edinburgh. You've got Berwick Law here, you've got the Bass Rock, you've got Ely Point, you've got the gorgeous beach and Largo Law just straight ahead of you. Isn't that stunning? And I'm just going to take you on the tour. Hi there, and this is the property right behind us. So it's Gowan Bank, Links Road in Leven. As you can see, it's a semi-detached 2-bedroom bungalow. You've got off-street parking, you've got garden area to the front, and you also have garden to the rear. This is a brilliant opportunity with this property though. So it's an investment opportunity, and it's a golden opportunity for you to put your stamp on this property and create something that you would love. So the groundworks have started. The planning consent is in place. The planning consent is for a 2-bedroom, open plan lounge, kitchen, diner with a utility space and a boot room. It's going to be a fabulous home when it's finished, and this is your opportunity to make it internally however you would like it. And I'm just going to take you on the tour. That is the property here. So as you can see, it's semi-detached. You've got all of this area to the front, so you've got garden here behind this wall, you've got garden and off-street parking here, you've got access to the rear garden as well down to the side here. But location wise, it is in a really great spot. So literally follow Links Road down, it takes you down to the golf course and also to Silverburn Park. But where I was there at the beach, literally we're 2 down from the road here. You turn left there and you're literally there within 30 seconds, and the high street is literally just here as well. So let me just take you on the tour. And as I say, this is an investment opportunity. It's a great chance for you to put a stamp on a property. You'll see as soon as we go in that a lot of the major work has already been done. So the groundwork is done in most of the areas, so you would need to explore that further, of course. However, having said that, the planning consent is in place. So the current building as it stands, as you come in, you've got the entrance vestibule. You then come into what was the internal hallway, as you can see. You have this lovely curve to the wall here, which I think is wonderful. You've got big cupboard space there as well. You've got area of entrance here too, so you can make this a really grand entrance. This was one of the bedrooms, so you can see it's a really good size. You've got the double windows there. Some of the original features are still here as well. So you've got the cornicing and you've got the ceiling rose. But as I say, a lot of the groundwork is already done. If we then follow it through, we have what was another bedroom in here. And again, you've got this lovely original cornicing in here. But again, a good sized room. And then we come into here. So this was also a study area and also was a bathroom at one point. So all of the facilities are still here. You then had a WC in here. We then have what was the family room. And as you can see, this is a lovely space. And again, you've got that original cornicing here, a lovely room overlooking the front. But great opportunity. Come back out into the hallway. And from here we come into the living space as well. So this was the original lounge. But again, it's a really great size. This one overlooks the rear garden. We then come into what was the kitchen. And again, you can see, nice size. You've got your door, your window here as well, goes out to the rear garden. So if we come out into the rear garden, you have a nice courtyard area. So this walkway here was actually the lane that you saw at the side. I love the fence, isn't it nice with the sea glass in it? But really nice sized courtyard garden. Goes all the way around the corner. You've got your entrance here. So we're going to head back on in, and then I'll give you a little summary of the property. So as you've seen, it's a 2-bedroom semi-detached bungalow. It's in a great location. The planning consent is already in place. So planning's in place. That's for a 2-bedroom. And then what they're doing is opening up it all. So you've got an open plan lounge kitchen area running into the kitchen. So you've got your lounge, then to kitchen, then to utility and boot room as well. 2 lovely bedrooms, nice sized bathroom. It's a lovely space. Formal consent as well out the front for your 2 vehicles as well for your parking. So everything is really there. All the utilities are in place as well. So your water, your electricity and your gas is in situ. Many of the groundworks have already been done as well. So great information share on here as well in this post. So this is the personal property tour. All of the information about the opportunity is in the link above, along with the planning consent number as well. So you can get all of the information you need from Fife Council. But this is a really golden opportunity to create a beautiful home, isn't it? Location wise, as you've seen, you're literally about a 30-second walk and you're on that beautiful beach. Maybe 3-4 minute walk, you're at Leven train station, so you've got all your commutes as well to Edinburgh and Dundee and beyond, so commuter links are fantastic. You're on the bus links as well in a very short walk. You've got the high street on your doorstep. As I say, you've got that beautiful beach, you've got that Fife Coastal Path, you've got the golf courses close by as well, you've got the swimming pool, you've got the high street with all the facilities that has, so you've got tapas bars, restaurants, cafes, pubs, it's just fantastic what's on your doorstep. School-wise as well, you've got a nursery local, you've also got a primary school as well that's local to you. So really is offering a great family home here. But it's a lovely quiet location. As I say, you can walk down this road and you're literally down to where the golf courses are as well. And they're just fabulous. You've got up to then Silverburn Park and it's beautiful woodland walks up there too. So you really do have a good lifestyle choice here. The all-important price point as well is also in this post. But actually as an investment opportunity, this is a cracker, isn't it? And if you'd like some further information, you can message me here directly. Likewise, you can always have a chat with the team if you give them a call on 01333 421 774. And it's Perry at Fife Properties TV. Take care. Bye-bye.